Hi everyone, let's discuss two scholarship opportunities for prospective students interested in Australia and China. First, let's talk about the People's Republic of China. Before I continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for similar videos on Meet Charles Show. Good news for those who want to study in China. The Chongqing University CSC Scholarship in China for 2025 is the perfect opportunity. The Chinese government offers the fully funded CSC Scholarship for 2025 and beyond, a prestigious program allowing students to pursue their studies in China for free. This scholarship attracts students from around the world and is an excellent chance for individuals to attain a master's or doctoral degree. Chongqing University actively participates in the Chinese government scholarship initiative by providing the CSC scholarship to support exceptional students in their higher education pursuits. Moreover, this scholarship is fully funded for international students and includes generous financial coverage, accommodation allowances, a monthly stipend, and additional benefits. These provisions aim to alleviate the financial burden on international students, enabling them to study in China without concerns about financial constraints. Similarly, the Chongqing University Scholarship for 2025 to 2026 also offers partially funded options to students. This Chinese scholarship provides master's degree programs lasting 3 years, while doctoral degree programs span 4 years. And the best part about the Chongqing CSC Scholarship for 2025 is its full financial coverage. Additionally, Chongqing University grants the CSC Scholarship to highly qualified students. Thus, it is essential to have a strong academic profile and excellent documentation. You can also benefit from this Chinese government scholarship and pursue your educational aspirations in China. Furthermore, with the Chongqing University CSC Scholarship for 2025 to 2026, students can study at the prestigious Chongqing University in China. This university is a key national institution recognized for its academic excellence and research contributions. Moreover, through the Chinese government scholarships, China aims to foster collaboration between itself and individuals globally. The China Scholarship Council, operating under the Ministry of Education, plays a vital role in overseeing the admission, enrollment, and overall administration of recipients benefiting from the Chinese government scholarship. You don't want to miss this opportunity to study fully funded in China. Do you want to get the Sigi WPT Scholarship 2025? If you do, you must review the requirements and eligibility criteria for the Chongqing University Scholarship in China below. Eligibility criteria for Chongqing University CSC Scholarship 2025 to 2026. 1. Applicants from all around the world are eligible for the CSC Masters and Doctoral Scholarships in China. 2. They must hold citizenship in a country other than the People's Republic of China. 3. The age limit for master's program applicants is 35, while the age limit for doctoral program applicants is 40 years. 4. Similarly, candidates applying for a master's program should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent and an outstanding academic record. 5. Aspiring candidates for a doctoral program should demonstrate academic excellence and have a master's degree or equivalent. 6. Moreover, good mental and physical health is also a prerequisite for all applicants to be eligible for the Chongqing Scholarship. 7. Applicants must not simultaneously hold other scholarships to remain eligible for the CSC Scholarship. 8. In addition, for English taught programs, an IELTS score of 6.5 or above, a TOEFL score of 80 or above, or any similar equivalent proficiency is a requirement. 9. Native English speakers do not need to provide English proficiency test results. 10. Applicants without the specified English test results must take the English test organized by CTWPT in May. 11. Likewise, HSK, Hanyu Shuiping Kaioshi Level 4 or above is required for Chinese taught programs. That's for China, for you. You're an amazing viewer. Exciting news awaits as we dive into yet another fantastic scholarship opportunity in Australia. Let's explore how to take advantage of this chance to further your education. Explore fully funded scholarships in Australia for 2025 and beyond, specifically designed for international students. These scholarships provide extensive financial assistance that covers tuition fees, living expenses, and additional resources to support your academic ambitions in Australia. Seize this opportunity to shape your future. Apply today! Turn your dreams into reality with scholarship options for international students in Australia. Whether you're pursuing undergraduate, master's, or PhD programs, these fully funded options offer the financial support necessary for a world-class education. Begin your journey toward academic achievement and professional growth by submitting your application now. Are you dreaming of pursuing undergraduate or postgraduate studies in Australia? The Australia Awards Scholarships 2026 offer an incredible opportunity for students from developing countries, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, to study at top Australian universities and TAFE institutions. With benefits like full tuition fees, return airfare, living expenses, and health coverage, this scholarship is your gateway to world-class education. The application deadline for the 2026 intake is 30 April 2025, so don't miss your chance to apply. What are Australia Awards scholarships? Administered by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, the Australia Awards scholarships aim to support the development needs of partner countries by providing opportunities for talented individuals to gain skills and knowledge that will drive change in their home nations. These scholarships are available for undergraduate, postgraduate, and vocational studies at leading institutions across Australia. Application procedure. First, visit the official Australia Awards Scholarships website. Next, check your country's eligibility criteria and application deadlines. Then prepare your documents, including academic transcripts, references, and proof of English proficiency. Finally, submit your application online through the OASIS portal or by mail, depending on your country's requirements. Important deadlines. Kindly note that the application window for the 2026 intake opens on the 1st of February 2025 and closes on the 30th of April 2025. Some countries, such as Palau, have different deadlines. So, verify the dates for your specific region's requirements. Benefits. Here's what you will receive as a scholarship awardee. 1. Full tuition fees. Coverage for your entire academic program. 2. Return airfare economy class flights to and from Australia. 3. Establishment allowance, a one-time payment for accommodation and study materials. 4. Contribution to living expenses, or CI, a bi-weekly stipend will cover basic living costs. 5. Overseas student health cover, or OSIC. You will receive comprehensive health insurance for the duration of your studies. 6. Pre-course English or PCE training if required to improve your language skills. 7. Introductory Academic Program or IAP, a pre-study orientation to help you settle in Australia. Eligible nationalities. The Australia Awards Scholarships 2026 are open to citizens of the following countries: Asia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Maldives, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Vietnam, Pacific Federated States of Micronesia, Fiji, French Polynesia, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Nauru, New Caledonia, Niue, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu, Vanuatu, Wallis and Futuna, Africa, Algeria, Benin, Botswana, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana, Kenya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible, you must be a citizen of a participating country mentioned. Applicants must meet the academic and English language requirements of the chosen Australian university or TAFE institution. Depending on your country's requirements, you can apply online or by mail. Consult the participating country profile for detailed eligibility criteria, priority areas, and application instructions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Your support means the world to us.